Now we're good. All right, microphone. Sorry, the internet was down. The Cloudflare is down. My microphone's down. Should we just go ahead and go on vacation? Call it a day. Go ahead and just walk away now. All right, I don't know. All right, so if you're wondering about websites, pretty much every single website is not working right now. Twitter's not working. Everything, the whole internet is just down. So it is not, it's not Apex, it's not Take Profit Trader, it's not Warbucks, it's Cloudflare. So, yeah, don't get too upset. Don't get too upset here. What a great time for Cloudflare to go down. I think it was because we launched Warbucks BTC last night. So now Cloudflare, though we shut down the internet. Warbucks, shutting down the internet there. You gotta love it, man. The biggest, the largest. That's right. We're back here for another day. Another dollar. I would say go to warbucksbtc.com and sign up, but, well, the internet's down, so you just got to hang out with me. I guess we're going to have to just, I don't know, trade. And luckily, Tradeovate's still working. That's good, right? Tradeovate's working. Ninja Trader's working. Tradeovate Prop, big shout out. Done, done, done. The biggest, the largest. If you guys haven't already checked out Tradeovate Prop, I'm sure you have. Everybody watching the stream, everybody knows. You know, people will be like, what's the biggest platform? What's the best platform? I'm like, well, I mean, you already know. You already know, baby. You already know. Tradeovate Prop. All right. Overnight, what do we get? Kind of made these lows there again overnight. Down here, this 24,800 level. Right? 24,800 level down there. Pivot point wise. I mean, there's a lot. This has been a very key level of support, right? There's been a lot of support here at the 24,600 level. So, I mean, that's 1, 2, kind of like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times that we've bounced basically off this level to go higher. Does that mean we're going to go higher now? I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know. Cloudflare is down. Am I still planning on trading today? I'm still planning on it. I mean, TradingView's working. Tradeovate's working. So, kind of just is what it is. I'm also shorting here on Ethereum right now on the WARBUCS platform. Short from the 64s, 3,064 on Ethereum. see if we get a move down here. I don't know. I'm going to find out. Bitcoin, Ethereum, been getting hit the last few days. So, will today be that day? Do we get another big move? I'd love to see Ethereum break below 3,000. You never know. You never know. So, I would tell you to go, like I said, go check out WARBUX, BTC.com. But I think the websites, everything is down. You can actually see the website. You can go to the website. It is live. You just can't sign up right now, and it's not because of me. It's because of you. Or it's because of somebody. I don't know who it is, but it's some guy named Cloudflare. That's right. Crypto funding made killer. The all-new WARBUX BTC website. You can check it out, learn more about it. It's popping. We're live. You just can't sign up right now, like I said, because of Cloudflare. Now, if you look here, look at the pricing on this, right? Let's look at the pricing. So the 5K account is only $40 for the one step. For the two step, it's $39. And then for the 0 step, which is instant funding is only $45. No activation fee. That's right. It's $45, no activation fee. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. So, yeah. WARBUX, BTC.com. You got the all the breakdown there on the website and all that fun stuff. I'd give you kind of a more of a walkthrough. I'll make a video later on, hopefully when Cloudflare starts working again. But it's live. It's happening. WARBUX, BTC.com. Can we go to the moon? But yeah, I mean, look at these prices. The 25K account is $199. Now, the one thing you might be confused about, right? The 100K, the 5K, about that, it's a little bit different than trading futures, right? It's a little bit different of a game, but similar but different. So, like with the let's say for this example, right? The 25K account, to get a payout or to pass the account, to pass the evaluation, you have to make 10%. So that would be $2,500. And you've got a max daily loss of 4%. So the maximum that you can lose in that account is 4% per day. You got the 33% consistency rule. And yeah, once you pass the eval, you then go into that. I think there's still some pricing issues with the 2-step and the 1-step, but the instant funding, like I said, instant funding. So basically, you buy an account for $225 and you are instantly funded and you start working towards payouts. WARBUX, BTC. Like I said, you can't sign up right now because Cloudflare is down, but it's 30% off right now. WARBUX BTC is 30% off. You're trading Bitcoin, you're trading Ethereum, you're trading Litecoin, you're trading all the top coins. I think there's like 20 different coins that you can trade there. But if you want to learn more, check out WARBUX BTC, kind of how it all breaks down, pretty clear, understandable, with the payouts, the consistency, and all that fun stuff. So we're getting ready here for market open. That's right, just me today. I know. Don't be upset, chat. Don't be upset. D-Money will be here later on. He'll be here this night. He'll be here at 1:30 this afternoon. So you can swing trade. Yeah, you can hold the trades. And all that fun stuff. So D-Money will be back. We'll be here at 1:30 this afternoon for the D-Money show. We'll see how she goes. Right now, I am short on Ethereum here. This is the platform that we use for the crypto trading for WARBUX BTC. I got a 100K account. We're up. We took a little. I think with the first trade, I lost like 1,000, and then now we're up 4,000 here. So let me see if I can take some profit here. I'll show you how to take profit on this. All right. So you put your order out there, select it, bam. I place my order and see if we get filled down here at the 29s. These charts are very similar to TradingView. You can it's cool as you can see how you can basically just drag, right? You just drag down there, move this around like that, ding, ding, ding. So the instant funded account is static DD, yes. How much do you need to make for a payout for the instant funded 25K? Well, I mean, I think you just got to get over the buffer and then you're good. Is Project X down? I don't know. You paid to design this website? Is that I don't know if that's I don't know if you're coming, I don't know if you're going to tell me something bad or tell me something good. You paid to design this website? Yes, I paid my Filipino man. Is it tradable at night? Yes, you can trade it all day, every day, 365 days a year. It's cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that fun stuff. So this is the new firm, Warbucks, BTC. Yes. Yes. We would use Trade of 8 if we could, but Trade of 8 doesn't offer cryptocurrency currently. They might in the future, so that might be an option. We'll talk to them, try to make it happen. Is this yours? Yes, I'm a partner. Who is funding Warbucks? Me and my partners. Is Apex down? Can't get it right now. Every website is down right now. Literally every single website on the entire world is not working. So every single website is not working. Cloudflare outage. It's not Apex. It's not Take Profit Trader. It's not Warbucks. It's the actual Cloudflare. I didn't see how to flatten on the platform. Just take profit. So basically, to flatten, all you do is just press that X button right there, and it's like a market order. You want to be careful because there is decent slippage, right? Trading crypto, it's not like you're not going to get filled exactly. If you press a market order, you're not going to get the best fill. So you want to really take profit and use a stop loss. Yes, Trade of 8 is working. 100%. Trade of 8's working. This is DXTrader. We use DXTrader for crypto. Is it 1099 for tax purposes? Yes. Do you pay for TradingView charts or is it free demo live? I don't. Is that a TradingView question? I don't know. So if I sign up for instant payout and you make $30,000 in your first week, you're paying that out. I mean, as long as you do it with the consistency rule. And so, are you a majority partner? Yes, I'm a majority partner of Warbucks, BTC. Come on, hit it. Trying to get filled here on this Ethereum short. I will be trading futures. Yes, we're trading futures. Just kind of showing you this little, I got a short right now here on Ethereum. This is the 100K. Ooh, look at that. We got filled. We got filled. Man, the fucking Filipino man blew up the website last night. That's why Cloudflare stopped working. True story. I don't know if you guys saw. I don't know if it'll actually load or not because Twitter, it might be working. Last night, I texted the fucking Filipino man and I was like, hey, did you send out the email? You know, I was like, hey, did you send the emails for Warbucks? And he's like, yes, sir, we sent them. And I'm like, yeah, just for the first 100 people, right? And he said, no, 100% of the people. I said, what do you mean 100%? What do you mean 100%? He said 100%. Oh my God, that's why Cloudflare is not working now. Yeah. So we had a little bit of a language barrier there. So yeah, Daniel T got the email after he was already trading. What a joke. What a joke. All right, right now Nasdaq this looks like a big old what kind of bear flag looking thing here. We're going into open. the market has just been pulling back so far this week. Monday, red day. Tuesday, well, going into this open. Right now below previous day close. So we're red right now going into open. We got a pivot point down there. We bounced off multiple times. 24,618 level. So let's see what happens. New all-time highs win. I mean, I have no idea. Maybe tomorrow. What is your sentiment for the Nasdaq? Buy low, sell high, buy low is my plan. Apex just announced an amazing deal as well. We got Apex $40 lifetime fee for the PA fee with an 80% off. Guys, I'm pretty sure this is the cheapest deal Apex has ever ran before. If you do the math, 80% off plus the $40 activation fee. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's, I'm not good at math, but I think that's the cheapest deal I've ever seen Apex do. Right? Forge Aesthetics, how much are you up on the month? I don't make any money, Forge. Zero money. I've lost every dollar that I've ever made this month. So, right, what is it? November 18th. Yeah, no, I'm down about 10 million this month. But don't worry, I'm going to make it back. I'm going to make it back. 90% off in the past. Apex has been 90% off, but they've never had 90% plus $40 activation fee. The $40 activation fee is really the golden goose there. So, is it safe trading with the Cloudflare issues? I mean, I'm not an expert when it comes to Cloudflare, to be honest. So, I don't know, to be honest. Yeah, I don't have like I can't tell you exactly. I'm not an expert. Give me 1 minute here. I'm gonna go grab a drink. BRB. Come in. Guys, every website is down. It's Cloudflare. It is the issue. It's not the prop firms. It's Cloudflare. So it's not personal. It's Cloudflare. It's not personal. It's just Cloudflare. Rips is calling your platform a white label piece of shit right now. I mean, that's fine. Why do I care? It's not my platform. Thank you, Rips, for the support. Where's D-Money at? D-Money will be back here live this afternoon. You never heard of Cloudflare? I mean, everybody's heard of Cloudflare. The whole entire world. Short Cloudflare. Maybe. Maybe. D-Money is on later on at 1:30, guys. Yes, 1:30, D-Money. He comes on every day at 1:30 in the afternoon. If you don't want to watch me, well, tune in later at 1:30. He'll be here. But for now, all you get is me. That's all you're getting with me, baby. All right, so the Nasdaq is kind of holding up right now. Looking to see if we get a big dump here at open, kind of bear flagging right now. So let's see what happens. Da, 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 da. Right in the middle of the someone said, has Patak backed off yet? No. No, he hasn't. I've been told not to talk about it. Don't ask questions about stuff I can't talk about, chat. Don't do it. Don't do it, chat. Don't do it. Don't do it, chat. All right, right now Nasdaq looking like she wants to sell down here. We got 9 minutes till market opens. See what happens. Do you ever wish you could wake up and trade instead of entertaining us? Not really. To be honest. I mean, I guess, but like, no. I like what I do. To be honest. I do like what I do. Sometimes there's days where I kind of like don't like it, but I'd say the majority of the time I like it. Majority of the time I like it. This thing it's like given, it really just looks like it wants to start to sell down here. That 5-minute chart getting stuck right now, looking to see what happens. So I prefer D-Money. All right, well, go fuck yourself. These fucking people in the chat. Like, D-Money's not here. So if you prefer D-Money, come back at 1:30. He's not here, guys. It's only me. Oh, my God. Welcome to me. Will you be doing another BDH battle? Maybe. Maybe. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Patrick, we need a catchphrase when you win. I mean, I'm always winning, so what are you gonna do? Always be winning. Always be winning. Hey, Patrick, what would you like to see happen and take a buy? I would have to get like back above the VWAP there. Right now, I mean, everything's pointing down here. This should, I mean, it's given that vibe that it wants to sell down, but I don't know. I'm leaning towards the idea of it moving down here, but we'll see what happens. It's time. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. You know what to do. Tradeovate, the official trading platform of the BDH. Warbucks BTC, is it only for Americans? No, my friend, it's for everybody, the whole world. Right now, it's not working because of Cloudflare, so. Just being patient. Looking here, 15-minute chart, we got wick on the top of those 15-minute candles right now. We got 5 minutes until this candle closes. So, I mean, I think if we get below 700s there, it should be quite the little bloodbath. It might just go without us even before the market here. Uh-oh. 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 Right down there, the 700s already before market open. Come on. No! Why does it do this? Why does the Nasdaq make the move 5 minutes before market open? Just to fuck with us, right? I mean, ideally, you would have liked to seen a little bit of a pop up there at open, then break 700, but now we just got to be patient. We still got 5 minutes, 6 minutes till market open. No rush. Take your time. Cloudflare's down anyway. So we don't want to blow up our accounts, because if we blow up our accounts, well, then we're in trouble. Then we are in trouble. Be careful. I'm trading on WARBUCS. It's up. Yes, the trading platform for WARBUCS is working, DX Trade, but the website itself to sign up, the dashboard and all that, is not working. So, what causes these pre-market moves like that? I think it's just 5 minutes before open, people getting excited. Hard to say, really. WARBUCS trade futures? Nope. It's cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Bitcoin, all that fun stuff. Does Cloudflare have any effect on today's trade? I hope not. Yeah, so 30%, it's WARBUCS is 30% off. You don't need a code or anything. It's just 30% off. Is WARBUCS BTC yours? I'm a majority partner in it, yes. All right, we got 2 minutes here until market opens. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Why is everything down? What is happening? The end of the world, man. China. It's China. I blame China. Yeah, no, it's definitely China. It did it. China. All right, well, I mean, this is bear flagging, but look, ooh, ow, what the fuck was that? A 20 point pop there? What do I think about order flow? I don't think about it, to be honest. I do not think about order flow. I think about trading. I think about making money. I'm not thinking about different trading strategies. Someone said 400 today. 24,400 is what you're saying? Cloudflare is up and running again. Looks like it. We're back, baby. We are back. Time to blow up those accounts. Time to reset. We're back. We can reset now. Don't worry. All right. Let's go. Cloudflare's back. Ooh, buddy, just in time. Just in time for the market to open. Just in time for the market to open. For the market to open. Here we go. 20 seconds. I am looking for a short. Looking to see what happens. Someone goes, what's my P&L for the month? I don't make any money, chat. I make $0. You're watching a very unprofitable trader live on YouTube. So please, don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea, chat. All right, if we get a little bit of a push up here and get denied, looking for a short, right? That's what we kind of want to see. A little bit of a push back up, and then we'll see if the shorts can step in here. If we don't get a sell-off, well, then maybe we go up. But I think kind of see if we get denied right there at those EMAs for now. Just kind of watching, waiting. She's pushing back up there towards the VWAP now. So if we start to get above the VWAP, well, then no shorts. So let's see. Apex's website is working. Yes. Everything's working. All right, we got denied pretty hard up there. This is the 2-minute chart. If we lose 700s, I'm going short. I'm going to try it right there, actually. Go short here at the 700s. Target this 650 area down there, right? 650 is my target here. Nice little short here so far. Don't be greedy. Don't be afraid to take some profit if you're up 20, 30 points. But we'll see if we get down there to the 650s first. I got my stop basically at break even now. I can't lose, but we're looking for 650s. Maybe a little more. Just lose this 660 area real quickly. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Why does it do that? All right, I'm going to give it a little bit of room on this stop. Wow. Well, that sucks. Straight back up there, chopped out for now. Nasdaq didn't want to sell off, so there she is, pumping it back up now. Classic. We are up like 50 points there, so whatever. Wow, look at this thing ripping right now. Everything's ripping higher. You gotta love that. You just gotta love it. Thought the goal was not to be greedy. I mean, I don't think I was being greedy there. I took a trade. We took a trade, man. Just that's trading. That's all it is. All right, right back. Look at that. Fuck it, dude. That was fucking 100 points. 100 points on the 1 minute candle. Did somebody just cure cancer? Okay, that's cool. Somebody, I think someone's son's talking. So I don't know what's happening. Why we just had a 100-point rip straight back up there on a 1-minute candle. Fucking nuts. Pulling back here to the VWAP again. Wouldn't it be funny if they just pumped it all the way up there just to dump it all the way back down? Just for fun, you know? Just for fun. They like doing that for fun, you know? All right, good time to be patient here. That 5-minute candle. Pulling back there right below the VWAP again. So we got a nasty 5-minute range here. We got about a 200-point 5-minute range. That was a 200-point fucking 5-minute range there, so. Cloudflare seems to be working again. Yes, that's the, sounds like the story right now. All right, we got back below the VWAP. Back below the VWAP now. Gotta see what happens here. Just stuck. Watching. We're stuck below the VWAP. So if we start to lose 700s again, do we move down? But that was quite the fucking trap there. We are right there at the VWAP now. Gotta see. Apex's new sale crashed the whole entire internet. The Apex sale crashing the internet. Fucking crashing the internet, that's right. Apex right now is 80% off. $40 activation fee. Let's go. All right, well, the chop is very real right now, so. watching these EMAs there. We're stuck at the VWAP, stuck at the EMAs for now. I mean, if we get above 800, maybe that's, you know, breakout to try to push back up there to yesterday's high, or sorry, yesterday's close there at the 880s possibly. Just holding there at the EMAs for now. A lot of volatility here, though. Lots of volatility. I mean, the crazy part is this is basically still, well, still very much the 5-minute range. We got a 200-point 5-minute range right now. That, I mean, that's kind of crazy. You know, that's kind of crazy, chat. She's looking weak here, though. I mean, it's not going anywhere. Or they, I don't know. It's just, we got wick on the top there again. Haven't really been able to get above the VWAP there. I squeeze it right back up again. Touching that VWAP there. The VWAP right now, 760 area. I want to see if we can get out of this fucking range now. Stuck at the VWAP once again. Looking weak here. All right, there's that breakthrough, the 700s again. I'm going to try a short here through the 700s, try to make a new low. We can get some continuation out of here, but it's gonna be tight. Nvidia selling off now. Nvidia down there, 182s. Take it down, Nvidia, come on. All right, we're either going to break through this fucking low and start to crater, or we're going to ramp it back up. But let's be careful here. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. Give me the 50s, you little motherfucker. There we go. 35 points. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'll be here. Not all day, but I'll be here. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. All right, that worked. Finally, something working out in our favor. All right, let's focus on the next setup here. Next setup, baby. We made a new low right there. Down there, the 650s popped it back up, so don't need to, well, look at that. Clearly today is a day to take 10 points, take 20 points, take what you can get and run away. Take what you can get and get the fuck out, they said. All right. They got a pivot point down there, 622s. This thing is, it's gonna go. She wants to go. She needs to go. Just go, baby, go. JK. Getting a lot of volatility here. Oh my lord, right back up again. Crazy moves. Crazy moves. That's another almost 100.1 candle back up here again. Look at that thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Good thing Apex is on sale today. I don't know if the Cloudflare is working again. Is it working again? I don't think so. Some stuff seems to not be working still. Kind of like it's hanging on, like it kind of like maybe this is that bear flag to sell down here again below this. The Nvidia is cratering right now. I'm gonna grab a short here and see if I can't make a new low or get a new low here. Putting my target down a little bit deeper just to see if we can't break out of this 15-minute range to the downside nicely. If we break 650s, we should kind of get on down there. Pivot point at the 620 area. All right, I'm moving my stop now to the 53s, or we'll go 60s. That's 15 points guaranteed. But we'll see if we can't get a little bit more out of it. There's that pivot point now. Be careful. This could bounce right back up. Great little trade here. I saw Nvidia just absolutely getting murdered right now. Nvidia down there to the 180s. It's straight down. So kind of playing into the idea that Nasdaq follows Nvidia here. Being a little greedy here with my target just because I'm seeing if we can't get like a 100-point move down through here maybe, but we've already guaranteed to lock in at least 15 points. Ugh, fucking A. 15 points locked in there at least. We got right to that pivot point there. That might have been the spot. Nvidia, a little bounce on Nvidia back up there. Nasdaq doing the same now. Gotta love that. Gotta love that, don't you? Don't you just gotta love it? Nvidia has good news right now, huh? By the way, Apex 80% off right now. $40 activation fee. I'm telling you, that is the best deal I've ever seen. And I've seen a lot of good deals, but when it comes to Apex, normally they're 90% off, but the activation fee might be $100 or $150. So, yeah, I know. I think Apex is still down. Everybody's down. The whole internet's down, man. The world is ending. The world is ending. I think Warbucks is up, though. Warbucks is up. Haha. Yeah, baby. Warbucks is working. If you guys haven't checked out Warbucks, BTC, you can trade cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that fun stuff. And look at the pricing here. You could buy a 0-step instant funding account for only $45 right now. Get paid out. Look at that. Nasdaq moving down. I had my stop just a little too tight. There you go. There's the dump. They're following Nvidia straight down, Lieutenant Dan. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. Oh, yeah, she's going for a yellow line there. Fucking A, look at that. Look at that, would you? Just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. You know, just look at it. Just look at it. All right, Nvidia's selling off here. Nasdaq's selling off. We broke the 15-minute range to the downside now, so just trying to see kind of how this plays out here now. We still got plenty of time. We got 10 minutes until 10 o'clock here. If you look, 10-minute chart, 15-minute chart, big wick on the top of those candles, that bear flag playing out there, just kind of being very... what do you call it? Being ornery. Being an ornery girl. She being ornery, as I like to say. She being naughty. Nasdaq being naughty today. She's going where we want it to go, but she ain't doing it the way we want it, you know? She ain't just going right to our target. She's like, I'm playing hard to get today, boys. I'm gonna make you really work for it. I'm gonna make you really work for my booty. Like, just give me that booty, girl. Come on. Give me that booty. Come on, girl. Give me that booty. Nvidia still looking like it wants to make new lows. Nasdaq could crater right through the 600 level next. I mean, there's not a ton of stuff below us, guys, so be careful. I mean, 24,000, like 400 level, kind of like down there next. So this hourly candle right here at these lows, 600. We lose this 600 support. You look at 530s down there next. So there she goes. Down, down, down. The shorts are winning. The shorts are winning. Absolutely winning. It's winning. Nvidia is just bleeding out here, taking the whole market down with it. Oh, Lord. Is it time to buy the dip on Nvidia, or is it time to short it? The $1 million question now. All right, so really now I need to wait for some kind of like good-looking bear flag, right? Just wait for some like good-looking retest. That's what I'm looking for, right? A little bit of retest would be ideal. $24,006. Like, I would love to maybe, you know, retest. We're kind of like in a very tight little spot here. We're right there at that pivot point, but I mean, you would like to see, like, you know, maybe a little retest up there, but right now she's going. She's going, almost gone. Going, gone. Nvidia down there, 181, about to break 181. Nvidia going lower, new low of day on Nvidia now. There goes the Nasdaq. Oh my Lord. She's a bleeder. Fucking A. Could have just stayed short there earlier. Stayed short. Never cover. Never surrender. Don't worry, we'll get an opportunity. It's going to happen. We're going to get some kind of little pop, something to short into here. Just be careful. Just be patient. Make a little bit of money every day. If you guys haven't seen, check out those new shirts. That boy good. That boy good. New, got some new apparel for D Money. D Money, little money man. Money, money, money. D Money man. That boy good. All right, so like I said, I would like to see, you know, if we could push back up 640s or so would be great. Right, like back up there 640s. We got stopped out there on that short. I moved my stop to break even, then we got stopped. And look at it. She's dumping now. Classic. Absolutely classic. I'm also short here on Ethereum on Warbucks BTC. If we're going to get this break to the downside there, maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. But let's see. Dump it, dump it, dump it. Oh my God, Nasdaq just absolutely gone right now. Nvidia gone as well. This market is getting murdered. The shorts are winning. Fucking A. Trust me, it's hard. The FOMO is real, but I know there'll be a setup to come. You know, there's something coming. Don't worry. You know, there's always something coming. Going into that 10 o'clock hour, let's see what happens. We got 5 minutes until that 10 o'clock candle opens. If we look on the bigger time frames right now, hourly chart, hourly candle looking real bearish. And then really, guys, like this is kind of that next level down here. 25,400 area. So let's see what happens. Can you trade Warbucks from your phone? Yes. Nvidia still going lower. It's 180.50 area, 160 now, 180.60 now on Nvidia. The hourly candle down there to that pivot point, 24,536 pivot point there on the NQ now. So just kind of being patient, waiting for another good looking bear flag. We took a short this morning, made some money. So is it actually only $89 for an instant account? Well, I mean, yeah. Yes. I'll be doing a whole video later on talking about Warbucks, the payouts, the rules, and all that fun stuff. So we got 5,300 people watching. Let's go. All right, what I would like to see here, this is like best case scenario, right? Let's get like best case scenario here. That we kind of push up, we tap this area, then we get denied, we pull back. That'd be like, you know, best case scenario. Might not get it though, we'll see. Let's go. Patrick just got funded for the first time after 1 year of trading. Made my first $300 in the funded account. Woo! That boy good. That boy good. Man. And dude, Nvidia is just getting murdered right now. Nvidia is getting murdered. I'm going to try just like one contract short, and then I might try to like add another one up here. But just in case this just goes straight down, I want to make some more money on the way down here. But that's why I'm only going one contract for now, short there. If we make money, we make money. If we don't, we don't. So Nvidia has earnings tomorrow. I like it. All right, looking to swipe the low here and then get filled at the third. Get filled right there. Boom. There we go. From the 57s down there to the 37s, 20 points. Hey, it ain't a lot of money, but it's still money, baby. It's still a little bit of money. I need oh, there we go. All right, we're starting to get that sell-off on Ethereum now. Let's go. Try to make a little bit of money here on the Warbucks platform. Ooh, buddy, buddy, buddy. Come on. Time to make a little bit of money. Dude, Nvidia just dumping the whole market here. I'll show you how to take profit here. Let me see if I can put a take profit out there. All right, there's my take profit. I'm going to put it right there at the low of that candle. Oh, God. Now that I put my target there, see if I get filled. What's happening with Apex? The internet's down, bro. The whole internet. Cloudflare, everybody's having issues. So just be patient. Oh, come on. Sometimes you got to be patient. Do-do-do-do. The whole market is red. Red, red, red! Oh, buddy. We're almost... Come on, get me filled there. Who's buying Ethereum right here? Stop buying. Stop buying Ethereum. Get short. There goes in Nasdaq dumping now. Nasdaq's going lower. Yes, $100. So let's say you get an instant funded account with Warbucks BTC. Let's say you make $100. So if you make $30 for 4 days and then you request a payout, you will get paid $100 minus the profit split. So yes. What's the discount code? No discount code needed. That's the best part about it. Right now, it's happening. It's live. It's 30% off right now, exclusive for all you people out there watching. WARBUX, Crypto funding made killer. Look at the Nasdaq, dude. What the fuck? Why am I not just like dick deep short right now? I should be short 1 million contracts on the Nasdaq. This thing is bleeding to our target down there. 425 next. 425 next. Good Lord. Are you kidding me right now, chat? Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Dude, it took 20 points. Thought I was a fucking genius. Thought I was a genius. Took 20 points. Thought I was a genius there. Okay, well, that's 100 points now. Got 100 points down there now. Okay, okay. Wow. Your next target, like 400, pretty much next, guys. Oh, baby, Jesus. All right. Let's see what happens. I mean, we're just... It's sell, sell, sell. 10 o'clock candle just opened. Actually had a little bit of a wick already on that hourly candle. So 420's next. We had a very key level of support. We talked about that this morning, right? That key level. That 24,600 level. Ding, 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 ding. It was holding. It was holding. And now she's going downtown. Down. Crazy. Oh my God. Dude, Ethereum is falling off a cliff right now. Daddy's fucking rich, boys. Okay. I'm going to take some more profit down here, maybe. All right. Well, that's nice. Dude. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's go. All right, well, we're making some money trading. Ask Warbucks to make a Discord. Fuck, we don't need a Discord. We don't want a Discord. I don't want a Discord. All right, Nasdaq. This is the Warbucks platform that I'm on, which is basically DX Trade for trading crypto. Unfortunately, Trade of 8 does not have crypto possibilities yet. Maybe in the future. So we'll see. But right now, trying to make a little bit of money. Just trying to make a little bit of money here on WARBUXBTC.com. Try to make a little bit of money. All right, we bounced right off that key level, right? This is that key level that we just kind of talked about where we bounced here back in October multiple times. You know, you got to expect a little bit of a pushback up after a big sell-off like that. It don't mean, you know, it don't mean we're going straight back to all-time high, but look at that. That's almost 100 points now. Right back up here now. So just be patient. Wait for that next kind of bear flag to form. Right? We're waiting for that next bear flag to form. We got a bunch of deals going on right now. We got the Warbucks stuff happening, 30% off at Warbucks, and then you've got the Apex deal of the century, 80% off, $40 activation fee. Yes, the website is down as of right now, but what a time to be alive. And you can see how volatile crypto is, man. Look at this. Ethereum right back up. We were up like 3,000 or 4,000. You know, that's how it goes. Bitcoin, Ethereum, it ain't easy. Making money ain't easy, chat. Fucking hey, look at that, right back up. What a bitch, what a bitch. Looks like Ethereum bouncing with the Nasdaq right now. Oh my lord. Dude, how did that go all the way back up? How'd that go all the way back up there? The push will continue, okay? Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. You know, honestly. We had Mega Money Monday yesterday. What's today? Today is Survive Tuesdays. Just gotta survive today, man. You know, the internet's down, the fucking market's down. Just gotta survive today. We just trying to make a little bit of money. You know, just trying to make a little bit of money. Just a little bit of money, make a little bit of money every day. Make a little bit of money every day. Whee! Oh my God. Ugh. All right, well. Grow up, man. Stop making those noises. Hey, JT London, will you shut the fuck up? You fucking loser. I'll make all the noises I want. It's my live stream, you fucking idiot. The fuck? Stop making noises, Patrick. How about you go fuck yourself? Wow, you know, hey. Fucking loser. God. I will make all the fucking noises I want. Hey, what's the point in being a millionaire if you can't fucking say whatever you want, do whatever you want, you know? You know what I mean? Honestly, think about it. Like, what the fuck's the point? What in the fuck is the point? What is the point? If you can't fucking make money, then shut the fuck up. All right, Nasdaq. Dude. Oh my God. Is this gonna be our is this gonna be where we stop and we start to dump? Is the question now, right? Nvidia pulling back there again. 24,529 on Nasdaq right now. Possibly, maybe, baby. I can't believe that guy was telling me I can't make noises. Shee. Get out of here. Get out of here, guy. Got no time for you, buddy. Straight back down again. Straight back down, Lieutenant Dan. Make more noises. I don't. I'm scared. I'm scared. Look at fucking Nvidia. I mean, or sorry, the Nasdaq here. What a fucking move. Straight back down. That is 100 points, basically. Already another 100 points straight back down here. After that level, you got 24,350 next. 350 next is your next level. Hit the like button. Let's go. We got 900 likes on the chat, or 900 likes on the stream. We need more. More! Should I go short right here? I feel like it's I feel like I missed my entry. Did I miss my entry? Did I miss it? I feel like I missed it. Should have probably gotten short like here at the 520s. I don't know. The low of days so far is 420 area. Nasdaq, you know, she'd be wild. Nasdaq trying to get high at that 420 level. Nasdaq trying to get high at that 420 level. We are in a huge demand zone here. I expect chopped or attempted reversal. Good way to look at it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Huge reversal. Yes, you can access your account without doing KYC on WARBUCS. 100%. You can. Go on WARBUCS, go to the dashboard, go to your overview, right? Go to the overview on your dashboard. right there. And then if you scroll down on the right-hand side, it'll show your password, your link, and everything. Click on that link and let it ride, baby. What is the feeling of having success, Patrick? With the cars, vacation, the BDH? I don't know, man. I don't really think about it, to be honest. I'm probably more of a pessimistic person than most people think. Living in a constant world of just expecting some shit to happen, basically. I tell Victoria all the time, I'm like, hey, you know, whenever life gets good, whenever it gets good, just get ready, because that means there's some shit coming. You know, it's always something. You never escape it. You never escape the shit. It's just constantly fucking shit. Just that's life, right? Like, yeah, if you're successful, all you are is you're just better at dealing with shit. That is truly the fucking lesson right there. No matter how much money you have, no matter fucking just everything. That's literally just fucking constant bullshit. If we break this 450 level, I'm going to grab 2 short just for a little scalp. See if we don't sell down through here. I'm going to try it right there, actually. Put my stop right there. Only 2 contracts. It'll either dump and give us a new low really quickly, or we pop back up there. So I think it's a win-win. It's a win-win for me. You sound like one of those Matrix in the and you sound like one of those agents of the Matrix, maybe. After all the cars that you've had and you can only pick one, which car would you take and why? Honestly, probably the Raptor R. 45 degrees says that's called paranoia. I wouldn't say it's paranoia at all. I would say it is truth, right? When you're a very successful person, the reason you're successful is that you're better at dealing with bullshit than everybody else, right? That's it. That is all it is. Nothing more. And that's life. It's just constantly figuring out what bullshit is you have to deal with today. See, like, I wanted to move my stop down there, but I'm just going to get stopped out right there, so. Just playing with my game, playing games with my heart down here now. Quit playing games with my heart. With my heart. With my heart. Double bottom? Possibly, maybe. Or we just keep dumping here. Jurat said, be a man, Pat. I am a man. What does that mean? Jurat Singh says, be a man. What do you want me to... I'm a man. Hey, man. What up, man? What up, man? I'm a man. You're a man. I'm a man. Who's a man? We all a man. Black Golden Hunter, if you want your login for the DX platform, go to your account and look on the right-hand side where it shows your account. Or your dashboard, on the dashboard in Warbucks BTC. Well, fuck. Chopping around down here for now. We were green on the trade for a second. For 1 second, very second. Stopped out there for now. Just chopped out. Couldn't make a new low. Probably should have gotten out when we couldn't do that, but Just kind of holding up there for now on the 5-minute chart. Fucking A. Everything ripping back up here now. All right, Nasdaq holding the lows for now. Back up there to the EMAs. Probably a good time to just be patient. The discount code for Warbucks, it's already on the website. You don't need to put a code in. Just buy an account. It's already 30% off. 30% off there. Wow, look at that pump. Look at that pump. Look at that pump. And that's exactly why we use the stop loss. Because, well, there you go. Just got your face ripped off. You gotta love it. Nasdaq, pumpity pumping. Just got my face ripped off there, man. Nvidia back above VWAP. Nvidia holding the 180s back up there for now. Warbucks, you can hold overnight. Yes, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Trade in, trade in, trade in. Left lane car reviews. You saw the Warbucks billboard? We got a billboard, Warbucks billboard. The Warbucks billboard. $15-minute chart, we got wick, wick, wick on the bottom of those two candles, right? So she kind of giving vibes that she wants to push back up here for now. Looks like Nvidia might be done selling. Back from the 180s back up to the 182s. Nvidia pumping. Nasdaq pumping back up here off the 400s. Like I said, this is a very key level, right? We've bounced here multiple times all the way back till September. Bouncing off that level here. So if we start to really squeeze back up here, there might be another long, opportunity, but I just want to be patient. We're pushing back up towards that 15-minute range right now. Black gold, yes, you can sign into the Warbucks website, but if you don't have an account, you won't have a login for DXTrader. That's 100% right. Why the fuck would you have a login for DXTrader without an account? Think about that. Come on, man. You know, like, think about, like, that's common sense. You have to have an account to have an account. It's like a lot of websites, or some websites are still having issues. I think Apex is still having some issues there with Cloudflare this morning. Cloudflare was down for everybody. All right, well, look at that. We got denied right there. Denied at that pivot point for now. So let's see what happens. All right, back here. 50. We got a lot of volatility right now. You got a 50-point pullback there into those EMAs again. The EMAs have still not crossed yet. They're on the 5-minute chart or the 2-minute chart. I think 1-minute chart they might have just crossed. This could be a long entry here. I'm going to try a long with a stop right below this 20 area. See if we can get a quick rip up through the 600s there towards that 640 area next, right? Kind of like my theory here. We're either going to start to squeeze back up here or, well, we pull back again. So, like I say a million times, guys, all you can do is put a trade on. If you get stopped out, you get stopped out. Nvidia's pushing. If we break through 600, I'm going to add here on this push. So a break basically above 600 there, I'll add. I got a buy stop there now. And then try to sell everything into this push like up into here now. But instead of just adding right here, you know, and then making my stop bigger, it's just kind of like, if there's momentum, we get through 600s, I'll jump in and then get all out there, 640s, 650s. All right, there's the add. We are now we added with the buy stop, so we're looking for just a quick push through 620s. The VWAP is at 680s. Right, 680s our VWAP now. Need more momentum. Need more momentum, chat. I do not like that we got denied right there again, but just being patient. I got my stops down here below this entry candle, basically. Yeah. Got trapped. We need to hold 560s here or we're going to get stopped. Ugh. Well, that was silly. Stopped out there for now. All right, well. No momentum to the upside. Back down, here we go, I guess. Now that I got stopped, let's go higher. Let's go. Perfect. Perfect trading. All right, she's just kind of just sitting right there. Got stuck right in there. And 5-minute. Yeah, no, she's... That 5-minute candle got absolutely denied there, huh? Got the 30-minute candle opening up here soon. Wow. All right, now if we lose 530s, I'll look for a short. But we got to lose 530s, so. Being a real fucking cunt right now. Just getting slapped right there. Both the ES and the Nasdaq got stuck. The I'm going short here now. We broke through the 530s there. Guess we can really target the kind of low a day down there. We'll just get chopped up like crazy here. Wow. Fucking A. You gotta be kidding me. That was terrible. Absolutely fucking terrible, chat. I don't even... Yeah, no, that was bad. Just absolutely fucking chopped up there, so... You got a pivot point there. 24,618's next. What a fucking nightmare. Literally, what a nightmare. I don't know. Fucking A. All right, well, right back down again. Got chopped up. Popped it back down. Or dropped it back down, I guess you can say. Crazy. All right, through the 500s now. If we lose that 500 level, see if we don't head down and oh yeah, she's going. She's going. Motherfucker. Why? You know, like why? Why? Why do you gotta do that to me, Nasdaq? All right, well, the short idea there below the 530s, although we did fucking got stopped out. There's the dump back down now. You really gotta love it sometimes. Nvidia selling back down here as well. Just a lot of volatility. The chop, man, it's real. Warbucks website is up and working. No issues with Cloudflare at Warbucks. Or maybe we do, I don't know. But all right, Nasdaq down there to the fucking lows, 470s. God damn it. I'm gonna make a video later on talking about Warbucks. So everybody with your questions, just hang on. I got you. We'll do it later when I can actually show everything, and I'll do a video. Patrick, when I take trades on GUI trades, my balance doesn't change. I don't know what that means. That doesn't sound right, to be honest. I'm not sure what that. I don't. Yeah, no, that shouldn't. That should not happen. Your balance should be changing if you're taking trades. 100%. Customer service and all that fun stuff's working at Warbucks BTC. If you have any issues, don't be afraid to reach out. We've got a very professional team, customer service, that can help you and answer all your questions. Which way, which way, which way? Which way, which way, which way? All right, I'm watching to see what happens here. We're stuck at that 500 level. I'm going to grab a short, stop at the right above that 500s, see if it'll take us through this low now, be like maybe 400s flat down there next, so... I don't know. It might just get fucking chopped out again. Let's see. Nvidia is kind of holding up over there. 181 area. Lots of chop. Oh my god. Almost stopped. Wow. And stopped. Fucking A. I don't have all the answers, that's for sure. Can you trade on the weekends with Warbucks? Yes, you can. Someone said, Patrick, go long. Okay. Deal. I mean, we're just going nowhere right now, just chopping around down here. We're at this key level of support. Can't break it for now. Nvidia's kind of just holding up. So. Well, stop me out and then moved right back down. You really have to love that sometimes, don't you? You gotta love it sometimes, yeah. Can you scalp small wins on Warbucks? Yeah, you can make $10 every day and then get a payout. There's no like, well, there's a minimum $100 payout. So let's say you make $10 every day for 10 days. Then you can request a payout for $100. There's the fuck. Look at this thing again, dude. Are you kidding me? Oh, God. Like, it's so stupid. Gabe Lex, we should be able to change the layout and template. Yeah, bro, you can. The fuck are you talking about? You can change every little fucking thing on that platform, dude. I mean, she's just going nowhere right now, so. We made money on the shorts this morning, and now just kind of getting fucking chopped up down here trying to fuck around with it some more, so. I mean, if we break this fucking 400 level, it's downtown real quick. If you look here, like 24,000 fucking 150 area down there. What's the catch with Warbucks? No catch. I'm just trading, man. There's no the only minimum for a payout is $100 minimum. You have a 33% consistency rule. So if you want to get a $100 payout, all you need to do is make what, $30 4 times, and then you get a payout. That's all it is. It's that simple. It's like, it's not a crazy idea, honestly. What's the daily drawdown? The daily drawdown is on the website. Guys, all this stuff is on the website. Everybody asking questions, head on over there to warbucksbtc.com. You can see the rules, the setup. We have the instant funding account, right? You have instant funding. So the 0 step is basically instant funding. $45 for a 5K account. If you buy the 5K account, you have, I believe, the max loss. There's no max daily loss, but the max loss is, I believe, 10%. Or maybe it should be 5%. I think it's 5%. Sorry, 5% for the max daily loss. So for like the 25K account, if you buy an instant funding account and you make $100, if you make $100 for 5 days straight, you can then request a payout for $500 minus the profit split. It says payout once a month. You know, you can get payouts more than once a month. 8%, yes. 8% max loss. You don't have a daily loss limit, but you have an 8% maximum drawdown on the account. I mean, if this shit don't dump, I don't know what is. I don't know what is. Okay? If this shit don't dump, I don't know what is. Also, if you have any questions, Warbucks BTC, they have really good customer service. Got a whole team. They can answer all your questions, anything you got. Don't be afraid to ask. They will get you set up, get you dialed in. This is some of the traders today so far. Looks like Road Dog up $420. He getting high today. He's up 8% in his $5,000 account. A lot of USA traders, one Australian trader, one this guy from, I don't even know where MY is. Where's MY? Myria. So, people are making money right now. Road Dog 19 up 8% in his $5,000 account. But remember, there's a 33% consistency rule. So, this is the dashboard, how it looks, so the leaderboards and all that. Right now, Nasdaq just sitting right there, man. Just sitting right there. Tell me this ain't going lower. Tell me this ain't going to go lower, chat. I mean, come on. Come on now. Let's stop playing around here. You know, just tell me it's going to go lower. Come on now. Fucking bullshit. Malaysia. No, you can request a payout more than once a month. Fucking fuck these we got to get this fucking website. They did the FAQ, and I don't know why it says once a month. You can get a payout more than once a month with Warbucks BTC. We just launched the website, and I think somebody fucking put in there it's once a month. But you can get a payout basically every 4 days or whatever, or more. I don't even fuck. God, I'm not good at math, man. All right. So I got a message from the team. All right. The system takes the most profitable day by equity since the last withdrawal and compares it to the current total profit. The most profitable day cannot be more than 33% of the total profits on the account. So an example, $100 is 25% of the $400. Now, if the client did a full withdrawal, it essentially resets as most profitable day is 0 and total profit is 0. If the client leaves funds in their account, say they did a $200 withdrawal out of a $500 payout, or if you made $500 and you went for a payout and you left $200, now their most profitable day is 0 and their total profit is $200. They trade and make $50 today, so now their best day is $50 and their total profit is $250, which is 20%. So they are meeting consistency. Fuck the dude. Ugh. All right. My question was basically, if you have a $5,000 account and you make $100 every 4 days, if you make $100 for 4 days, that's $400 total. You then request a $400 payout. What does the consistency work after that? Basically, it looks at your most profitable day since the last withdrawal and compares it to the current total profit. The most profitable day cannot be more than 33% of the total profits on the account. So that's... I need to do a PowerPoint. I need a PowerPoint. Fucking A. I need a PowerPoint. All right, well, Nasdaq just absolutely chopping around, going nowhere right now, so. Warbucks, really? Yeah, man. It's real. Can trade stay open 24/7? Yes. I think at the end of the day or at midnight or whatever, the account takes a snapshot and that's your like daily profit of the day or equity or whatever. How many contracts can you trade on Warbucks? You're not trading contracts. You're trading actual... you're trading the coins themselves. So you're not trading contracts. Right? You're trading the coins. Does that make sense? Why DX trade only? Because Trade of 8 doesn't offer crypto. Is why. Maybe. Does the same strategy work on Warbucks? I mean, bull flags and bear flags, they work. I mean, obviously not financial advice, but bear flags and bull flags do happen on crypto. Code for Warbucks. No code needed. Warbucks is 30% off right now. No code is needed. You do not need a code. It's just 30% off. $30% off. Is there any minimum buffer requirement? No minimum buffer. No minimum buffer. Only thing you have to worry about is the consistency. You just can't make $10,000 in one day and then go get a payout. You've got to be consistent. So on a 5K account, you can't lose no more than $250 or lose the account. Based on the math, If a 5K account, your max daily loss is 4%. Yeah, you're right. Apex deal, I think it's going on for 5 days right now. Apex is 80% off. Is the P&L shows when trading minds said the same? Oh, guys. Oh, I knew this was going to be an absolute fuck fest. Guys, I can't answer every fucking, I don't know every single question. What does that mean? Is the P&L shows when trading minds said the same? I don't even, what's that? Is that English? Like, I'm trying to answer questions, but like, how do I answer that question? Is the P&L shows when trading minds said the same? What does that mean? What does that even mean? All right, look, chat, look. All right, very simple idea. All right, let's say I want to get short 5 Ethereum contracts. All right, I would then click. Do I want to get? Let's say I can click on the chart and do it. Actually, I want to sell some right there. Let me see. I got my order out. My order is now placed there at the 112s. Let's see if we get filled. The nice thing is you can move this over if you want. You don't have to have it right there, but the platform that we're using is basically DXTrade for crypto. I would use Tradeovate, but they don't offer crypto, so. All right, come on. Trying to get short here. I'm going to move it down. The nice thing is you can move those orders and all that fun stuff right there on the chart. I would be careful. Just if you use a market order, you're going to get really bad fills. So just be careful with crypto. You don't want to really use market orders with crypto. Sometimes it works, but you're not going to get a very good fill. So I'm trying to get filled here. Oh, come on. God, I'm trying to do a fucking example here. Just so I can show you that P&L will move and the balance and all that. All right, now we are filled. We are short 5 contracts. So let's say I want to put my stop loss. I go here, I click on my stop loss. All right, I just go ahead and click on it there. Let's say I move my stop loss to the top here. Okay. My stop is there at the highs. Perfect. My take profit, I'm going to click on that and put it down here. Can I get stopped out on Ethereum too? Let's do it. Let's go, baby. So yeah, people that said if your P&L's not working. It's moving on mine. Yes, you're trading the coins. You're trading crypto. You're not trading contracts. Get rid of the pop-up that displays after setting the order. Maybe. It's not my platform. All right, so you can see we got 5 Ethereum coins short right now from the 108. So my P&L is obviously changing, moving right now. If we start to sell down here, we'll see what happens. We got Nasdaq making new lows. 420's giving it up. Come on. Set it to one-click trading. It is set, but it still does the fucking pop-up. Nasdaq making new lows. Oh my God. Ethereum, what a joke. Cryptocurrency, man. I would say crypto, it's, you gotta fucking, you gotta be patient with this shit. You gotta really be a fucking sniper. Trying to trade the 1 minute chart on crypto is fucking, it's a joke. It's an absolute joke. Oh God. I'm just kind of holding up there. Kind of a bull flag on the 15-minute chart. Uh-oh. All right, Nasdaq, you can see Nasdaq is down through this low now, so let's see what happens. I was looking for that short earlier. Gotta love that. I gotta go pee. I gotta go pee. I gotta go pee! The fuck is this music right now? Who the fuck turned this on? Who in the fuck turned this on? All right, well, Nasdaq made new lows down there, 24,400. Just kind of chopping around there. Steven, are you fucking the people that ask if I wash my hand after I go pee? You got to be the weirdest motherfuckers in the chat I've ever seen in my life. You could literally. I didn't wash it. Do you want to come? You want to come smell my fucking hand, you weirdo? All right, well, the chop fest continues here. Ba-da-da, ba-da-da. Oh, come on. Come on, Ethereum. Dump it. If Nvidia can dump, if Nasdaq can dump, then I'm looking for crypto to dump here, but she's playing hard to get. Playing hard to get. Nasdaq right down there, 24,400s here. Which way? Which way? Which way? Which way? Which way? Which way? Right back up again. It's 11 o'clock now. Pumped it right back up there again. Nasty, nasty price action here today. Good time to be patient. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Don't do it. This whole fucking market just being absolutely insane right now. A little ripper. She's a ripper. Got about a 100-point move right back up now. Will this be low of day now? We took out all those lows there and then popped it right back up. PW, why is it that downtrends are so angry to trade when it's uptrend? It's generally so clean. I mean, because I guess you got to think about it in the sense that, you know, people are buying the dip down here, I guess. Really. When we're going up, you're kind of just squeezing shorts, so shorts keep getting squeezed. Shorts get squeezed. We got some deals today. Obviously, Take Profit Trader still 40% off. Use the code down below there if you're interested. No activation fee. Take Profit Trader, get 5 accounts funded, then get those daily payouts. Daily payouts. Let's go. We've also got Lucid with the deal as well. $66 for the 25K Lucid account. Use the code PW. No activation fee as well. And then, obviously, Warbucks. The biggest and largest. It's live. 30% off. You can get into an account for as little as $45 instant funding. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Patrick, Warbucks did not consult you enough to get your ideas on how the company operates. It's too complicated to understand. I mean, it's really not. What's complicated about it? It's a very simple idea. You make money, and then you get paid out. That's literally all there is. What other idea do you need? If you lose money, you lose the account. The back-end info is insane. I don't think so. Do you really think so? I mean, I don't know how to make it any simpler. Patrick, you don't need the headache of Warbucks. You're bigger than them. Well, I mean, I'm a partner, so payout is not 30 days. I'm fucking A. Where is that at on the website? The abstract news rule with no news sources listed is no good. It says red folder news. Don't open or close a trade within 3 minutes before or after red folder news. Can you try Legends trading? Yes. Yes, I've traded it. What's the payout criteria? 33%. That's all it is. If let's say you make $100 for 5 days straight and then you request a payout, well, there you go. That's all. That's the only requirement. 33%. Just don't make more than 33% of your profit in 1 day. $33% on the funded. Yes, the instant funded account. You basically start out with an account. If you make $100 for 5 days or however many fucking days you want, just don't make more than 33%. What is the minimum trading days? Nick AZ trades. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, Nick. Think about it, bro. I want you to think about this. I want you to just think really before you ask this question, think about this. If the consistency rule is 33%, right? If it's 33%, how many trading days do you need to make sure that your 1 day profit is not more than 33%? No, just 33%, guys. It's just 33%. That's all it is, 33%. Darren said 2. I mean, technically, I think it's 4. You need at least 4 days of trading. You need 4 days of trading. Four days, but what if you go over? If you go over, then you have to trade until you make 33%. Like, honestly, everybody, if you're asking questions about how many days and all that, like, you might just, honestly, just don't buy an account because it'd just be better off. I think you'd be better off, people. If you don't understand the 33% idea, that's fine. That's totally fine. But I think you might just don't buy an account. Because it might just make it easier for you. Just like I get it. I understand. I'm not good at math either. I'm really not. But like, I'll be like, okay, if I make, if I make $1,000, how many days do I need to trade, Oh, man. If I trade 5 days, will the account close? Yes. Everything's gonna be fucked. Oh, man. All right, so like right now I got stopped out of the short. I went long on Ethereum. It's pumping up here. You can see I'm up $382. So if I take some profit up here, right? Let's see if I can take some profit up here. And then we'll think about the math on this. If I make $300 today, how many more days do I need to make money to make 33%? I don't know. I don't know. I will say in the dashboard, there is an option in the dashboard where you can see exactly what your consistency score is. Right? In the dashboard, you can look and see your exact consistency score. Oh, buddy, Ethereum's pumping. She's pumping. Taking some profit up here. Daddy's rich. Oh, God. Now what do I do? Fuck, how do I get this last one sold? Why is it not going? Oh, my God, it's going higher. Why is that last one not letting me fucking take profit? God damn it. No, we just stuck. No sell. I can't get out. Oh, no. Oh, no. Is it even an order? I can't even tell. All right. If you ever need to get out, just go to your go to your positions and you can get out just like that. So we are out. That one's still showing up there, which is funny. Classic. A cash in an instant account, I need to make 33% consistency. Once I've made that, you can withdraw your profit. Yes. What if I hold a trade for 4 days? Will it count as 4 trades or 2? I mean, I don't know what that means. Can you hedge inside the same account? I believe you can hedge. But they charge you margin on the bigger position or whatever. There's the FAQ. If you go on warbucks.com, go to warbucksbtc.com, go to the FAQ. There's a lot of really good information there, right? A lot of great information. So it's all on there. Don't be afraid. Check it out. Are you going to trade the Nasdaq? I'm looking at the Nasdaq right now. It's just like, what am I going to do? I can't really just like, I don't know. Do I just get long right here? Fuck. So. Let's see what happens. Quite the chop zone down here for now, so. Quite the choppity McChop zone. I think Cloudflare is down again, it looks like. I think Cloudflare is down again. The internet is crashing. Warbucks, BTC crashed the internet. Hey, Patrick, I have a yacht in Spain. It has 8 bedrooms. What do you think of them? Sounds fun, bro. I think that sounds fun. I mean, it's a Sunseeker, so, you know. No offense, but, you know, I wouldn't, like, you know, I'm not being a hater here, but I wouldn't tell anybody that it's a Sunseeker. I would change the brand on it. I mean, put something else. You know, put something else out there. I put my boat, my new 32-foot boat, put in the water yesterday. Did y'all see that? I don't know if y'all saw that, but it's in the water. It's in the, there it is. My we got two 425 V10s on the back of my 32-foot bait boat. This is my new 32 boat. I got the 42 that's getting ready to be finished as well. That's going in the water on Friday. So that's cool. What else is popping off on Twitter? That's funny. Oh yeah, look at this. We got a billboard. There's a Warbucks BTC billboard on the turnpike. So if you're driving down the turnpike on the way to the stadium, the Hard Rock Stadium, you'll see the billboard for WARBUXBTC.com. PW, do you have any plans of going to Venezuela? Not particularly. Not really. Maybe I know, not really. Not particularly. Not particularly. Lucid Trading 25K and the 50K account test accounts are 40% off right now. Use the code PW to get the best deals always. You can see down below there, $66 for the 25K Lucid test account right now. Nasdaq, I mean, I don't know. What do? Do you just get long down here and hope for the best? You got to be patient. Can you tell me your EMAs on the chart? 9 EMA, 21. PW, when are you going to go to Europe? I have no idea, bro. No fucking idea. I'm not trying to go anywhere right now. PW, did you pay for your new boat up front, or do you pay for it as the work progresses? Honestly, you just pay a deposit, and then you pay for it when it's done. What's wrong with the Sunseeker? I mean, there's nothing wrong with the Sunseeker. They're gay. You know, like if I looked up, like, if I went on the internet and I typed in gay boats, it would say Sunseeker. So, that's the, you know, that's the issue. There's really nothing wrong with them, but they're gay. They're real gay. Like, there's literally a whole video, there's a whole website talking about how like, this is what you're getting. Look at that gayness. It just looks gay. I don't know. I'm just not really a big fan of these types of boats, to be honest. So, I mean, they're popular. There's a bunch of them around, but they're just like, you know, it's kind of like a gay looking weird boat. So, I mean, is it because I'm broke? I mean, no. Not real. No. I mean, maybe. Let's look up. All right, Nasdaq is now right back up there to the pivot point, right back to the fucking thing. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Looks like a lady catcher, not a... Yeah, right. I mean, here, like, for example, right? This is a 2020 Sunseeker, 52 foot. It's 1.6 million for this goofy looking fucking boat. Right, that thing just goofy. Just like goofy looking. I don't know. I'm very big on like how a boat looks. You know, like if I'm gonna buy a boat, you know, like if I wanted a boat, you know, like I'll be getting like a boat. I'll be getting like one of these. You know, if I'm gonna get me a big boat to live on, I'll be getting me one of these like this. Get me a Viking. Like this thing. This is what I'm trying to get. 1987, 74,000. Look at that thing. That thing is sick. Nah, just kidding. Nah, I'll be getting like one of these, like a brand new one, man. See, like this thing is sick. Oh, dude. This is what I'm talking about. See, you pull up in this, they'd be like, damn, BDH is here. The BDH is here. Look at this interior, too. You think the Sunseeker's nice. Wait till you see the interior on this fucking thing. You got the bar. You got the little kitchen, little couch area. Ooh, buddy. Ooh, buddy. You got the bedrooms. I mean, they're nice. All right, Nasdaq back up there to the middle of the range now. What a time to be alive. Everything's pumping. Crypto's pumping. Everybody's pumping here. Oh, la 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 la. What happens next? You ever just wonder, like, what happens next? You know, you just think to yourself, like, man, what happens next? Quite the reversal here. Nvidia kind of keeping the whole market back. And I mean, literally the Nvidia chart and the Nasdaq are just like tick for tick right now. So let's see what happens if we can get back above the VWAP here. Going into 11:30. Hourly took out that whole, we engulfed that whole previous hourly candle now. So the bulls are in control again, I would say. The bulls are back in town. The bulls are back. The bulls are back in town. The bulls are back. The bulls are back in town. The bulls are back. You know what I mean? She's still pumping. Fucking A. All right, so now we just got, you got to be patient. Right? You got to be patient. Yeah, really all you got to be patient there. You got to be patient. So now I would just like to see some kind of like flag form, right? Some kind of like little flag or something. We got this pivot point right there, 619s. We're back above the VWAP here. Back at the VWAP. You know, what happens next? I don't know. We're going to find out. I think a little pullback is due. Got a little pullback, you know? Give me a little pullback. It's due. Fuck. We've got a little mini bull flag there, but like, you know, is be just a little bit more fucking. Give me just a little bit more. Just like kind of like I would like to see this, right? Like if I'm looking at this now, it's kind of like what I would like to see here is a little bit of like a, maybe, you know, like it's kind of far away now, but like you just want like just a little bit better of a flag setup here, right? Kind of like similar to this type of move where we pull back into that EMA and then we go higher. I mean, kind of like, do you just jump in there and get long? I would like to think that you don't, to be honest, right? I mean, in theory, but you know how that goes. It's fucking... There's that little pullback. This is, like I said, we just got to be patient. Don't go fucking getting too excited, you know? Wait for that better opportunity. If we can get it, we're going to try. Oh, wow. She's just right there, man. I would love to see like just like down into here. You know? That pivot point right there at the 1920s. It's just, I don't know if it's going to get it. I don't know if it's going to get it. We'll put 2 into this maybe. Fuck. Do you think it all went red this morning because of Cloudflare? No. I don't think that was the reason. I think we just were technically at a good spot to sell off there. Nvidia dumped at open, so it took the market down. Fucking A. Look at this stupid shit. Just can't get a pullback now. I'm gonna try a long here against my will. Look for a push above 700 possibly. Patrick, what is the transition like from being a player to team owner at BDH? Yeah. It's a little weird sometimes, especially when people try to like be like, "Oh, Deep Money's a better trader than you are." I'm like, okay. It's a funny like kind of mental to remember. Be like, okay, well, hey, if you think Deep Money's better than me, that's great because you know he works for me, so it's all good. Thanks for the support. They both trade totally different styles. I don't think we do though. I don't think me and D Money trade different styles, honestly. Well, we got right there to the fucking 700. It's pulled back now, so let's see what happens down here now. Total fucking reversal there. I'm going to try to add here off that EMA. Could be a terrible idea, but let's see. Nope. He's bad. I'm going to just get it out there now. Needed either a quick reversal back up there, but I'm out for now. I didn't want it below the VWAP. I wanted to get that bounce like off the VWAP right there. Da, 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 da. Holding right there at the VWAP, just bouncing around. We got that pivot point down there next. Five-minute chart running into some resistance there now. Do we think Nvidia earnings are a factor? Oh, I think so. I would say so. Holding right there at the VWAP. Can anybody log into the Apex website? I still can't log into the Apex website. Wow. Patrick, considering you don't live trade, hypothetically, how much would you be up for today? What the fuck does that even mean? Patrick, considering you don't live trade, hypothetically, how much would you be up today? What does that mean? I don't even know. I mean, hypothetically, I'd be up $1 billion today, basically, you know? Basically 1 billion. $1 trillion billion dollars. Well, there's the pump again off the fucking VWAP straight back up there. Can you explain the Warbucks discount code? There is no discount code. It's 30% off. Don't worry about it. Patrick, with the deflection. What's my deflection? What do you Patrick, you don't trade live. How much would you hypothetically be up? I don't fucking what does that even mean? How am I deflecting? What do you want me to say? Well, hypothetically, if I traded $5 million today, I would be up hypothetically $1 billion trillion. He says you're pulling a Danny. I'm not pulling. How am I pulling a Danny? Oh, God. Patrick, if you had $1 billion and you traded today, how much would you hypothetically have made? I don't know. 1 trillion? $1 billion trillion. I made 1 trillion billion today. On my Lucid accounts, I had a eval that I lost 3,000 in, and then these are funded. Lucid funded accounts, so 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000 on those accounts. I think that's 5 accounts times 3 would be 15,000. So, bro, what is your P&L today? Are you looking at the fucking? Oh shit, I wasn't showing it. There you go. Sorry. Fuck, I thought I didn't switch over the screen. This is my P&L for the Lucid accounts today. So we had a great short this morning. We made money shorting this morning. You know, so that's it. That's all I got. Ah. The middle of the 15-minute range, 24,733. The chat is what makes your channel entertaining. Oh, God, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Sometimes. I mean, I know that people just like say stupid shit to try to get me fired up. I know. But I don't know. Bro, where's the second Nike boot? It's in there, bro. What are you talking about? It's in the back. There's 2 of them. 1, 2. We got 2, don't worry. 2. Hey, I almost paid for my Nike boots with my profit today. Almost. Almost, but not enough. Almost. But not enough. I need more light on these things somehow. Fucking shitty ass fucking shoe holder things. Ginger bought those. Bought the cheapest fucking possible ones on the internet. I mean, sometimes I just fucking, I don't know, man. Boxing boots. No, they're fucking, dude, are you guys, like, are people fucking retarded? Has nobody seen fucking Back to the Future? Has nobody seen Back to the Future? Like, am I the only person on this fucking planet who's watched Back to the Future? I honestly, though, like, I'm like, what the fuck? Nobody's seen Back to the Future. It's crazy. Dude. Right now, you can buy those boots. If anybody wants to buy my Nike bags, well, they're not for sale, but you can go online. The 8s are 50,000. The 9s are 50,000. The 11s, I got 11s. They're 50,000. Ooh, Daddy got he gonna be rich. Everyone be like, Patrick, you be stupid. You be wasting your money, and I'd be like, look at this. Look. Do they really self-lace? They do. They do self-lace, yes. They have lights and power, and 11 is baby feet. What? Michael J. Fox would not touch those Peter Pan getaway boots. No, he would. He did, actually. He signed them. What are you talking about? He signed him. Actually signed him. Where's D-Money at? D-Money, where are you? He should be sitting over there, but he's not here right now. It's just me. D-Money's going live at 1:30 this afternoon. D-Money going live this afternoon. That's where he trades at over there. That's my old desk. He took my desk. He took my old desk. Ugh. Give D-Money more hours. I mean, there's only so many hours in the day, bro. You created a monster with Scooter Matt with his competition win. He thinks he's the greatest trader. Yeah, I mean, no offense to Matt, but, he took one trade. He took one trade and won the BDH tournament, so. He won, but he did take one trade. Or 2 trades, or however many trades he took, but, like, I mean. I'm trying to get him. I gotta get him to come to the BDH. You gotta come to the BDH, and then maybe we can do a head-to-head PW versus Scooter Trader, Scooter Trader. Scooter Trader. What's the huge monitor that D-Money is using? That's my monitor. That's not D-Money's monitor. That's my monitor. It's a, what is it, 55-inch Odyssey Arc or whatever they call it. If y'all haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We got 1,200 likes. Go a little bit longer. Just want to go a little bit longer. My thoughts on ICT's meltdown over footprints. I mean, are you surprised? I don't know why anybody is ever surprised with ICT anymore. He's an actual, I mean, he's like an actual psychopath. Right? Like it's not even like it's not even an argument anymore. He's like he's crazy. Did Nakai build the RWBs? Yes. We got Jennabelle over there, and then I got the camouflage Warbucks RWB somewhere. Oh, getting new wheels done. So yeah. No, Akira Nakai built all the RWBs. Is the big monitor in the back over there Odyssey Arc? Yes, it's the 55 Odyssey Arc. Apex still down? I think so. It's not Apex. It's something to do with Cloudflare. Yeah, it just like doesn't load. Fucking A, man. Fucking A, man. Well, I think it's a good time to go to lunch. Might be a good time to go to lunch. Might be a good time to go to lunch here. You got Lucid Trading right now, 40% off the 25K and I believe the 50K account. Use the code PW, Lucid Trading. I think we just needed to be more patient there, I guess, with the longs. There she goes again. 680s pushing. Get through that 700 level, maybe into the middle of the 15-minute range. 740s or so next. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. She's going. She's trying. Almost 12 o'clock. So 12 o'clock, next hourly candle going to be opening there. And just sit here for the rest of the day. Just sit there for the rest of the fucking day, man. Do, 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 do. Patrick, can you tell Trade of 8 to put a red button on the screen? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. All right, going into the 12 o'clock. You got 2 minutes till 12 o'clock here. That hourly candle going to be closing. We're right below that 24,700 level. So... see what happens. Patrick, why don't you do giveaway? I've used your accounts like crazy. I mean, I trade live for free. I trade live on YouTube for free, bro. So, you said you got me. Haha, you got me, Hollows. You're a fucking idiot. Like, God. Just stuck there holding up for now, so. Good time to walk away. It's 12 o'clock. We're green in those Lucid accounts, funded accounts. And just kind of sitting here now. You're one trade away from a green day. I mean, I'm green, so I'm not sure what that means, but thank you for your support, like always. We're green today, clearly. You can see the P&L there. We had that eval, had an extra eval that we traded and hit the max daily loss, but we green. And so that's it. That's all I got. It's over. 12 o'clock. D-Money comes back at 1:30 this afternoon. Hopefully some better action for Power Hour. Mel said don't give up. Who the fuck's giving up? Guys, we fucking crushed it this morning. We made money this morning. What the fuck is... oh my God. What am I giving up? Patrick, don't give up. What? What am I giving up? The fuck? I can't, man. Sometimes I just gotta stop reading the chat. I think that's the best. The best plan is just never read the chat ever again. Never read the chat ever again. I've hit my maximum consistency on the day. I can't make more than 3,000. So, you know. It's just kind of bull flagging right here. 24,600. Will it push through 700 next? Possibly. Maybe. So, there it is. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. I got to go pee so bad. I got to get the fuck out. Dude, literally the last thing I want to do is sit here and fucking read the chat for the rest of the day. I want to kill myself afterwards. I imagine what these people are like in real life. You know, like, what are these people like in real life? Are they worse? Are they better? Is it a miscommunication with the chat? I don't know. It's crazy. I guess, you know, the hard part about being rich is trying to figure out which car to drive. You know, do I drive the 765 McLaren? Do I drive the Porsche wide body? Do I drive the wide body Ferrari? You know, it's hard. It's hard trying to figure that out. You know, just hard every day making that decision. When I wake up in the morning, I'm like, which car? You never know. So, all right. I'm going to peace out. I'm going to go somewhere else. Use your bike. I mean, even if I had a bike, my bike would be nicer than the majority of the people in the chat. Patrick, never stop fighting, man. Keep your head. Damn it! I'm never gonna be successful. What will I ever do? Oh man. At some point, guys, I'm gonna figure it out. At some point, I'm gonna figure out my life. D-Buddy's coming on live later on at 1:30 p.m. Eastern. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. I'm out of here. I'm peacing the fuck out.
you.